what's good guys? This car beside of me have been sleeping from 2022, just about 2 years. Now let's get in and check if it starts up. Let's get in and make it start. What do you think guys? Will it start? Let's check. Oh no, come on dude. As I expected guys, that's so bad. Alright guys, you know what? In this case, we don't have such a big problem because I'm gonna be showing you a very simple trick to start up every single car that want to start like this one. As the normal manner guys, first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the bonnet up, just like that. When a car have been sleeping for a long time and want to start like this car, so there must be some problems with the battery, you know, because all of the electricity in the car came from the battery. So let's remove the battery. Alright guys, I'm in the workshop, so we have to pick some wrenches like 10mm wrenches and the 12mm wrenches. Alright, it's 10mm and let's find the 12 one. There we go. There we go guys, look at the old battery. We just removed the old battery, and also look at the rusted paints and the carbons all around the terminal, the negative and the positive one. So what we're gonna do is, let me show you a simple trick. So the trick is this guys, after you fully recharge your battery, or you maybe change your battery or whatever you've done, you gotta use this product. This product helps you to get rid from the more carbon and the more rust around the terminal. So I think that the way of using it is very easy, you know. It looks like a piece of cake. So cover your battery terminals with this product, the positive and the negative. Don't forget to use it every month to prevent from more carbon and more rust. So far guys, we just fully covered the terminals on the battery, and it's not bad to cover the positive plug and the negative plug with this product as well. Do the same manner as we did to the terminals. You can see that places that cover with the rust and carbons and dirt. Now this product guys helps you to get rid of that kind of rust and carbons, and keeps away that rust and carbons, but you have to use it every single month. There you go guys, we just reconnect the battery to the car, and look at this area guys, the simple trick that I just showed you. So let's check if it starts up. I'm definitely sure that it will work guys. So let's get in and let's check it if it starts up. Oh come on lady, come on. Oh, look at this guys, it just started. That's insane guys, this simple trick works. So we just succeed guys. We turn it on a car that hasn't started about 2 years now. I'm V16 Mujtaba guys. I'm post some technical videos, some tips and tricks about the cars, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ciao.